Good morning, everyone. I am Gandharv. I am the student of Hindu. I want to talk about a story called How Our Body Digests the Food. You all eat food daily, but you don't know how the food is digested. Let I explain clearly. When we eat food, we just do the process of ingestion. Like when we are taking in food by our mouth, by chewing it, this mouth is the first part of our digestive system. This mouth can called as a mouth or a buccal cavity. In the mouth, there are several teeth, incisors, premolar, canine. These teeth have some separate roles to make food into simpler forms. So these after these chewing, this food become a simpler form, and in mouth there are presence of salivary gland, which makes the fluid into soluble form and some watery substance and sends into our neck. The neck contains a pipe called food pipe or esophagus. This is run around our neck, and it pass and this flows in these foods are flows into our stomach. The stomach is a J-shaped gland, which is our widest gland in our body. This stomach contains a mucus, hydrochloric acid, and digestive juice, which make our food to digest. Mucus protects our lining in our stomach, and hydrochloric acid kills the bacteria which is present in the food which comes from the food pipe. And digestive juices make the proteins into simpler form, and these foods are go out to the small intestine. Small intestine has 7.5 meters long, and it gets receives secretion from liver and pancreas. Liver is a large gland. It contains bile juice. It is present in a gallbladder. This bile juice makes our food, which make the food into simpler form. And pancreas is a creamy yellow colored gland which has pancreatic juices which digest the fats and fats, carbohydrates and proteins. Carbohydrate into simple sugars, fats into fatty acids, and proteins into amino acids. And these foods are travel to large intestine. This large intestine take all the food from the small intestine, and it absorbs some nutrition from a pot called villi. The villi is a finger shaped some hair like structure. It absorbs the food from the small intestine, and large intestine has 1.5 meters long, and these villi absorbs nutrition from all the food and sends to rectum and anus. And this undigested food passes to rectum and anus to out of our body. This is the full step of digestive system. I knew that you all understand the digestive process. Thank you for your understanding. Thank you.